Hello, this is Jose. Here I am with my 2017 S550 or W222. This time we're going to replace the air cleaners, the air filters. So let's go. We're going to start with removing the covers. Just push them out. It only has clips. Put one side up, the other side up, and then there's two more in the middle. So you just pull it up. And the next one, this one on the side. Take this one out to change the oil filter. It's right here. Take out the other cover by the oil filler. So we're going to loosen up the straps on the filters. Now we have to remove the electrical connections on both filters. There's two in the back on the sensors. There's one here, it's not connected to the filter, but it's attached to it. The filter is just holding it in place, and the wiring comes attached to it. So we're going to be removing that. I'm going to show you how to remove those in the back with a little pick. So in the back of the filters, this is the sensor, this is the electrical connection. So there's this little white tab right here. You move this little white tab out of the way and push it out. So you clicked it out. Then this is letting us move another little clip that's in here. So we push that clip up and move the electrical connector out. Here we go. As we're here, here's the other one. The filter on the left side. All we have to do with this one is twist it off. Just twist it. It comes out. I'll take these out of here. Now as everything is loose, we're gonna put these out. Okay, we only getting the top one loose, not the bottom one. Okay, on both sides. So once we got it out, we flip them. We flip them because we gotta take these bolts out. Okay, and this is a T25. The Torx 25 on both of them. And we're ready. This is where the filter is. They don't come all the way out. They stay in there. So who knows how long these filters have been there? A little. There it is. Oh, they're not that bad. Doesn't look like they've been here for too long. Yeah, not that bad. Now we gotta clean these. We gotta make sure this is clean. That's one. Let's get the other one out. All right. Same thing. They look clean. Even though they are clean, I still don't know how long they've been here. Oh, what is this? Surprise. So I want to have them fresh. Here we go with the new ones. Put in place. Put it all the way in, all the way around. Let's go. Okay. Same thing with the other one. Make sure it's all the way in. And here we go. Start our bolts by hand. Make sure they're in. And here we go. Don't go all the way down. Go easy on it.
You have to close them also.
To tie these, just use a small tool. Don't use nothing big. And just with your fingers, tying them up.
And down.
Okay. Ready to go back in. Make sure the wires are out of the way. Here's the wires. The boots back on. So this sits right. Okay. Looks good. Remember, this one just twists in. Go in there and twist. We route our wire. And we put our connector back. We gotta make sure we put the lock in. Remember, we pulled that little connector, right? We had a lock on it. Push it in. It's in place. All right. There we go. And with the other side, the same thing. I like to put this side first, makes it easier. Okay, then boot back. The electrical connector. Put it back on. And it's down. It's in place. Looking nice again. Let's tie the straps up. All we have to do is put our covers back. The one in the middle. You can look at the ones in the back, the locks in the back, the little clips. Push those in place. Everything should fall in place. There we go. The ones on the sides. Remember, one has the hole for the oil. Back on the clips. There we go. All right. And we're done. So the air cleaners are changed. They were in good condition. They weren't too bad. It looks like the previous owner took care of the car. I like to do all the maintenance myself again, just in case anytime I buy a used car. It's good practice because you never know what they did, what happened before. Did they take care of the car or not? Or maybe they did take care of the car, and at the end, because they were selling it, they didn't really care anymore. So it's better to um, do all the maintenance when you buy a used car. So I got this car a few months ago, and I've been trying to do everything that I can do, and so far so good. So um, feels good. The car feels good. It's revving good. I'm not sure you can hear that with the windows up. Pull it down. It sounds good. Uh, right before I did the filters, I did the spark plug. So car's been working good. Changing the spark plugs and the filters are great. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.